In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Economic Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to filter it so you can focus on the events that actually move markets. Start on your TradingView chart page. Look to the right-hand sidebar and find the small calendar icon. Give that a click. The calendar panel will open and display a timeline of upcoming economic events. You'll see each item listed with its scheduled release time, the country flag, the event name, and an indicator of its expected impact. This view is designed to sit alongside your chart, so you can keep an eye on price action while staying aware of what's coming next. Times shown are aligned with your TradingView time zone, so you don't have to do any mental math to convert them. Now let's make the calendar work for you by filtering it. Click the filter button at the top of the calendar panel. Here, you can choose which countries you care about. If your focus is the US dollar, select the United States. If you want a broader macro perspective, choose a group like the G20. You can select multiple countries to tailor the list to your watch list without overwhelming it. Next, refine by importance. You'll see options for high, medium, and low impact. High-impact events are typically the ones that trigger the biggest, fastest market moves. If you want to concentrate on the crucial releases, start by turning on high and turning off the rest. This helps you zero in on market-moving events like CPI, FOMC decisions, and GDP reports. CPI, or Consumer Price Index, is a key inflation gauge that can shift currency and index trends. FOMC announcements outline U.S. interest rate policy and guidance, often leading to sharp moves in bonds, the dollar, and equities. GDP reveals the pace of economic growth and can reshape expectations for central bank paths. You can always broaden your view by adding medium importance back in, which is helpful if you want a fuller context around a busy news day. As you adjust country and importance filters, the list updates instantly, so you can see only what matters for your trading session. Keeping the calendar panel open while you analyze charts is a simple way to stay situationally aware and avoid surprise volatility. That's all there is to it. Open the calendar from the right-hand sidebar, then filter by country and importance to focus on the events most likely to move your markets. Use it consistently, and you'll plan trades with clearer expectations and better timing.